Sambalang ang isang.
Let's go, Joanna!
Bini Joanna. Bini Joanna.
Grabe si Master, pinapa-wait-wait tayo ba?
Oo
Pero ang question na to, hindi na ito makakapag-antay.
Oo.
From Regina G. Santa Cruz. If you could go back the day one of your debut and whisper something to yourself, what would it be?
Whisper it, whisper it. Ang ganda ng tanong.
Whisper, ah. Narinig ko ba? Hindi nila narinig. Hi, Joanna. Keep your pure heart, your feet grounded, and you're stronger than you think. At mag-art workshop ka, please. Magpaturo ka mag-drawing. Kasi magaling naman mag-drawing yung papa mo eh, si Tito Boy. Ang magaling na mag-drawing, hindi ko alam ba't di mo nakuha. Pero ayun. Thank you. Hi, Daddy. I love you.
Thank you so much.